Hello. Howdy, howdy. Unboxing my new Fuegos. Here we go. From the shipper packaging right into the shoebox, as you would expect. Pretty darn straightforward. You got your welcoming card here. Before I continue, I wanted to tell you I am a busy line dance instructor and I love my cowboy boots, my leather-soled cowboy boots. However, I bought my first pair of Fuegos a couple years ago, and these are them that I'm wearing right now. A couple years wearing them on all surfaces, including cement. That was kind of the big test, and as you can see, they're still kicking pretty good. But here's my brand new pair. I was impressed with the selection of styles they had. So, kind of a just professional, clean packaging. And these are my new navy blue Fuegos. But I'm pretty happy with these, and I'm also confident knowing that they will last. And they perform well too on all dance surfaces. Just a quick follow-up. I did try these on, and they fit perfect as expected. They're the same size as my old ones, so I didn't expect anything less. What more to say? Looking forward to dancing in my new Fuegos. Giddy up. That's all I got to say about that.